Welcome back. On Lidl's website they had auto shop special buy offers. They had this ultimate speed portable cordless compressor for $29.99. Something I've been looking for. Features seem good. It's got a torch, which has multiple functions. You can pump up your bike, pump up inflatables, as well as your car. So I'm gonna go and get this when it's available. Instead of faffing around with turning your car on, plugging the compressor into the cigarette lighter, just go ahead and start pumping your tires. Not worry about someone driving off with your car while you're on the rear side. As you saw earlier, I was looking at this on the Lidl website, and I've been waiting to get this. It's a portable cordless compressor. So unlike the ones that come with some cars, this one also does bowls, bikes and inflatables, as well as car. So this I won't be keeping with the car. It'll be somewhere at home, and when I need it I'll use it. So let's open this up. Actually, let's see, I'll read it. It's got a LiFePo battery with 4 times 500 milliamp hour batteries, so 2000 milliamp altogether. Pre-selectable air pressure up to 4.1 bar with automatic switch off when the pressure is reached. Compressed air hose with 4 adapters that can be stored in the device. Car tyre valve firmly attached to the hose. Bicycle valve, ball needle, universal adapter. So it comes with a mains charger and a car battery charger. It's got a 3-year warranty, and it's got an integrated torch. So let's open this up now. So I get a knife, and do I need a knife? No, I don't need a knife. This can just take off. Okay, open this up. So you got your manual, and me being me, don't need it. So you got your device here. That's where you plug in the hose. What's this warning? Okay. Some people think the accessories, it's got a nice little bag, ultimate speed. Okay, this I can handle. So, car charger. You got a mains charger, and the accessories are here. So you got your hose for car as well as bike, I guess. How does this come off? There you go. This is for bowls, and this you can use to pump up inflatables. I'm wondering if there's any power in it. Switch on. Battery is low, so I'm going to charge this, and we'll come back when that is done. Where's the torch? So torch, nice bright torch. Ooh, strobe effect too. SOS and off. So let's charge this, and come back later. Okay, this has charged fully. Switch it on. You can see the battery full. On the charger itself, this light turns green when it's fully charged, so you know when to take it off. So to test it out, I've got my bowl from, as you can see, it has lost a lot of air, and we're gonna pump it up. Attach this to this, Okay, and then we attach that to that. And if it's in the dark, you can have the torch on so you know where you're doing it. Anyway, so let's turn this on. Ooh. Okay, so we're at 8 psi there. Ball says between 7.3 and 10.2 psi. So I'm gonna go for 8 psi. That's about in the middle, and see what happens. Turn the torch off. Stick it in there. And oh, nice. So it gets to the desired PSI, it stops. And the ball is nice. Yeah, that's nice. Maybe take it up to 9 psi. Needs to be a little bit more harder. Okay, 9 psi. Nice. So this is handy. It goes up to, let's see what the highest PSI is. 36 is my tires in the car. Maybe it'll go to higher. Okay, 59.5. 60. And the lowest is 3. So that's handy. So you got this. So if you got inflatables, just attach this, stick it in there and turn it on. Most inflatables don't have a PSI rating, that as far as I know. And this is for smaller valves on bikes. If you got one of those smaller valves, just stick this in there. Anyway, so this is quite handy. Stick it in your car boot, and when you need it, it'll come in handy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.